Hello everyone! Today we are going to talk about expanded form. Remember to click the follow button to get updates on new videos. Whew! Expanded form sounds like a hard topic, but today we are going to make it easy. Expanded form allows us to better understand big numbers. In this video, I'm going to discuss what expanded form is and how to read expanded form, and I'm also going to provide an example. So, what is expanded form? Expanded form is a way to show a number by summing up the values of its digits. To understand this more, we first have to review place value. Place value helps us to understand the value of numbers. The position of each digit in a number shows its value. Let's look at this chart. To the very right, we have the ones place. To the left of the ones place, we have the tens place. Then we have the hundreds place, thousands place, and even 10,000s place. As we keep going to the left on the table, we add an extra zero to the placement on the table. So, if we have a number like 536, to show this number in the table, we have to look at the digits. 6 is on the far right, so it goes to the ones place, which is on the far right on the table. 3 is on the very left of 6, so it goes in the tens place. 5 is to the very left, so it goes in the hundreds place. And just like that, we understand the placement of each digit on the table. Now, let's go back to expanded form. Remember, expanded form is a way to show a number by summing up the values of its digits. Let's use 536 for our example. We want to show 536 in expanded form. We have to keep in mind the placement of the digits in 536. Let's first start by looking at 6. Because 6 is in the ones place, that tells us that we have 6 ones. This is also like saying 6 times 1. Now, let's look at 3. 3 is actually in the tens place, so we actually have 3 tens. This is like saying 3 times 10. This is also like having 10 plus 10 plus 10. Because this is the same thing as saying 3 times 10, we have 30. Lastly, we have 5. 5 is in the hundreds place. This tells us that we have 5 hundreds, or 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. This is the same thing as saying 5 times 100, which is 500. So because we are summing up the values of the digits, and we just found the values of the digits for 536, let's continue. We can write 536 in expanded form by writing 500 plus 30 plus 6. And we can check our answer to see if we are correct. 500 plus 30 is 530, and 530 plus 6 is 536. Yes, we are correct. So, the way to write 536 in expanded form is by writing 500 plus 30 plus 6. Let me give you one more example. This example is included in a product called Place Value, Identify Place Value, Expanded Form, and More. 10 games and activities. The link to the full resource will be provided in the description of this video. This question says, what is the number 2,971 in expanded form? Is it A, 200 plus 90 plus 70 plus 1, B, 2,000 plus 700 plus 900 plus 1, or C, 2,000 plus 900 plus 70 plus 1? Pause the video to answer with your class now. Let's use our knowledge of place value and expanded form to solve this problem. We will start by looking at each digit in 2,971. The 1 is in the ones place. This tells us that we have 1 1, or 1 times 1. What about 7? The 7 is in the tens place, so we have 7 tens, or 7 times 10. This gives us 70. Now let's look at 9. The 9 is in the hundreds place, so we have 9 hundreds. This is the same thing as saying 9 times 100, which is 900. Lastly, we'll look at 2. 2 is in the thousands place, so we have 2 thousands. 2 times 1,000 is 2,000. Let's put these values together. So our expanded form is 2,000 plus 900 plus 70 plus 1. And if we want to check our answers, we just have to simply add up these numbers and we will get 2,971. So we know we're on the right track. When we look for the right answer in our answer choices, we have to make sure that our answer matches exactly with the correct answer choice. Make sure that there is a correct number of zeros in each number that is being summed up. I can see here that C is the best choice because it matches exactly what we have. For more products similar to this, check out this product by Literacy and Math Ideas titled Place Value, Identify Place Value, Expanded Form, and more. 10 games and activities. The link to this product will be provided in the description of this video.